We hooked up the cold plunge to the chiller over here, and this side over here is ready to be operated, and it can be plugged into. First, you want to do make sure the filter is in, fill it up with water, and then plug it in and turn it on, and we'll be able to get it going. So we're going to fill up this side over here. And then real quick, on the hot tub side, this is the entire hot section. We're not going to walk you through how to hook up the electrical for the hot tub side. That needs to be done by a licensed electrician. What they're going to want to access is this side over here, is this control system over here. Just give them access to this, and when they unbox this thing, there will be the instructions for them on how to hook this up to a 220 volt electrical connection. Once that's done, you'll then be able to hook this up